Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Wantable unboxing today, and it is the Summer Selfie Edit. So let's just get to it. If you haven't tried Wantable before, I'll leave my referral link down below in the description. They send you 7 items, they have special edits that are kind of like themed, and that's what this one is today. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver to open the box. And yeah, how are you guys? I have to go to work today, so I'm doing this before work. This is kind of like the first time I've talked today, so my voice is still weird, you know, besides to my dog. And let's see. Bam, we're flipping it over. I haven't looked at it, you guys. I was good. I was a good girl. So, okay, here is our bundle. What do we think? That's a bright yellow. Oh, looks like we might have some jewelry in there too. Okay, Wantable. Let's try it. Okay, so just digging in. Here we are. They send you your return mailer. Ooh, I'm getting blown out. They send you your return mailer to return the things you don't want to keep. And they have a little note with your invoice. It says, hi Rachel, get ready for, oh, I have a different stylist this time. This is Sadie. I think I've had, is it Chantel in the past? I don't know. Hi Rachel, get ready for gorgeous summer selfies because your limited time style edit has arrived. I'm so excited for you to discover your summer 7. It's all about on-trend pieces that fuel your self-confidence, no filter required. Be sure to try everything out and let me know what you think of each item. Don't forget to snap a summer selfie in your fave Wantable fits from this edit and share them on Instagram using the hashtag #IamWantable. That's cute. Okay. So we have 2 pieces of jewelry. They send them in these little cloth bags here. So let's look. First up, oh, it's just the daintiest little thing you ever did see. It's a little necklace. It's just a little circle. That's really cute. I actually really like that. I think maybe I might have requested it on their stream, but can't remember. I might have to take this necklace off and put this one on. Hang on. Yeah, so just a nice little dainty, lightweight, can't hardly feel it necklace. I think that's really cute. Okay, so if nothing else, I think I'm going to keep this because it's really dainty and cute and I like it. Very cash. You could probably layer it really nicely too. So that's really cute, and that's by Lenny & Co. L-E-N-N-I and Co. So we'll set that there. But I think I'm going to keep it. Next piece of jewelry, we have, oh my, not dainty at all. These are huge. They're earrings, and I don't know if I'm going to put them in my ears because I don't know if I'm going to keep them. And they're a little tangly. Oh my. Look at her. Look at her. She is quite beautiful. It reminds me of a blue piece of pizza. Can you tell I'm hungry? So she's pretty. There's 2 of them. It's nice that they're, it's nice we're not blurry. It's nice that they're studs. They are a little bit heavy, but they are cute though. They're a nice length, but I have like a short neck, I feel like, so I don't know if long earrings look really good on me necessarily, so we'll see. I don't think I'm going to keep those. I don't think I'm going to keep those. I've been going more for just like, you know, simple hoops and things like that lately. So I don't think I'm keeping those. But they are very beautiful, and they don't tell me the name on here, so we'll go over all the names and things at the end. So those are our 2 pieces of jewelry. I'm so weird. So weird this morning. Alright. Next we have by Jag Jeans. Some stretchy kind of pull-on, almost like Bermuda length shorts. I have a lot of jean shorts now from all these boxes. So we'll try them on, but I'm not in the market right now, but we'll see. And then we have, oh, okay, you guys know how I like the shirts with, the sweatshirts with the words on them. Look, sunshine and a glass of wine. Yeah, that's a summer selfie, I think, kind of shirt right there. That's cute, even though it's just like a t-shirt. I like it. I like things with fun sayings on them, like favorite daughter and just wine. Next we have, okay, just like a, it's kind of nice I'm getting these kind of casual t-shirts because I did ask for some, I think, in my Stitch Fix and things like that. So this is just a like tie-dye t-shirt, which is also cute. Casual summer. Casual summer, y'all! I don't know why I said that. By Prince Peter collection. So it's kind of got that, oh, well, you know, it might be okay. You know how I don't really like when the stitching is on the outside like that. It might be okay. It might be okay. We'll try it. We'll try everything. And then we have She's Pretty. I did request this one, I think, on the stream. She is by Democracy, and she's a shimmery animal print tank top with a tie in the front. V-neck. Super cute. I like this one. I hope the prices are good. And lastly, she's gray. I gotta itch my nose, sorry. Ooh, she's a romper. She's a romper, everyone. A gray romper with pockets and a drawstring. With sleeves and a keyhole in the back. V-neck. She could be cute. Okay. Okay, yay, okay. Let's try everything on. So the proportions are a little off on this one, I feel like. The elastic, it's like a thick elastic band here. It's too tight right here, I feel like. I don't know. I don't like it. I think the short part is too short. I would like it a little longer, and then I think it just, where the elastic hits, I feel like it accentuates my stomach too much. But it is really soft and cozy. I like the V-neck. I like gray. I don't know. Oh, and it has a little cuff sleeve. That's too bad. Maybe, I was gonna say maybe if I went up a size, but a lot of times I feel like Wantable doesn't offer like size exchanges. Yeah, I feel like this is just sitting too low. My waist, my natural waistline is like up a little bit higher. So yeah, this is a no. Let's try on the rest. All right, here are the jean shorts, Bermudas. I do like how kind of roomy they are, but I just wish it was kind of like a regular enclosure because I've been liking to like tuck things in lately instead of, you know, this. But it has real pockets in the front, fake pockets in the back. So don't like that because I have to put my phone in there. But the top is really cute. I like how it has that kind of metallic shine to it, but it's not like stiff. It's pretty soft material. So yeah, so it does have that tie there, so you do have to wear it tied, which I don't see why you wouldn't, but you know, to each their own. So yeah. The armholes are kind of big. I have a camion under here. I've been noticing that a lot with like tank tops lately, that the armholes are just kind of big. Why do I always do that? I always run into my door. But I really like the color. I think it's pretty. I just don't know if I'm in love with it. Again, the armholes. And here's the back. Just kind of a normal back on there. No keyholes or anything like that. But it is a really pretty color. All right, let's do the t-shirts. So here's that, why do I always do this? Here it is. Here's that tie-dye t-shirt. It's comfortable. It's a little thin. You know, it's just good, I think, for putting on in a hurry. The neck goes up pretty high on it. Oh, it's okay. I like the color. I like the tie-dye. We'll see how much it is. This is one of those that's like, it's $54, then there's no way. But if it's, you know, pretty good price, maybe. But I don't know. It's all right. It's okay. It's nothing too special that I write home about, I'd say, but I do like that kind of salmon-y. I call it a melon color, but my husband last night, or the night before, I asked him to toss me a pillow, and we have one that's kind of this color and one that's kind of like a minty green color. And I'm like, toss me that melon colored pillow. He's like, which one? What kind of melon? And I was like, you're right, there's cantaloupes and then there's the other kind. I don't know. But it is cute. It's growing on me. I do like the white with it too. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what the prices are like. Let's try on the yellow shirt and then we'll go over prices. Okay, wow, my hair gets so frizzy from trying on the shirts. I like this shirt. I think it's gonna stay with me. The writing, which is what I'm always afraid of, the writing is high up enough on the shirt that it's not like stretched across my bust. I think it's a perfect length. It's like, it's not cropped, but it's like higher up, you know? So if I had on regular like button jeans, I could tuck it in a little bit like that. It doesn't look bad like this, but it's adorable. Sleeve length is nice. Sunshine and a glass of wine. Summer selfie with my wine. I think that's cute. Yeah, I think this is gonna stay with me so long as it's not, you know, a stupid price. So, all right, let's go over prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you like these kind of videos and you want to subscribe to my channel. I usually post, I try to post about once a week, so hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. Prices. Okay, yeah, this shirt. Okay, it's so cute. I like the yellow. It's summery. The Sunshine and a Glass of Wine loose tee in yellow by 78 and Sunny. How fitting. $38. I think I'm gonna keep it. I know I could get shirts like at Kohl's with sayings and things on them too, but I really like the fit. I like the color. I like the saying. Don't judge me. The Gracie 8-inch short medium blue by Jag Jeans, $69. So no. The Ocean Deep earrings in blue multi by Nakamol, Nakamol, $42. The printed sleeveless V-neck tie hem foil tank in dark grape, $39 by Democracy. The prices, you know, besides the shorts, they're not so bad on this one. That's kind of nice. The Pia Tri-Blend Romper in wash black, so gray, by Z Supply, $48. That's good for a romper from them. The, oh man, okay, decisions. The Open Circle necklace in gold by Lenny & Co., $48. I don't think I want to spend $48 on this necklace, even though it's really cute. I think I might shop around. Okay, I gotta take her off. The tie-dye tri-blend tee and tangerine by Prince Peter Collection, $46. No, it was too thin. I just wasn't crazy about it. So I think this is gonna be the keeper out of this box for $38. So the merchandise total, $330. If you keep 5 or more, you get 20% off, which Wantable has, I think, the worst like incentive program for their discounts. So if I kept 5 or more, it would be $264 for the total for all 7 things. Yeah, so, okay, well, we're gonna take her off. It's fine, you know. I have other gold necklaces I can wear. No big deal. It's probably not even real gold. You know, I'm talking myself out of it. But look at this cute shirt. I wish I didn't have to go to work and I could just wear it today. Anywho, yeah, I really like the yellow. Maybe yellow is my color. Anywho, I gotta go work today. What are you guys doing? Leave comments down below how your summer's going. It's been raining a lot here. Every time I look at the weather forecast, I'm like, it's gonna rain the next 18 days. That's my number I picked in my head for how many days it's gonna rain. So I've been trying to use the pool as much as I can, but every time I get home from work, it's raining. Hooray. But hopefully this weekend it won't be. So, all right, we packed the jewelry back away. We're gonna return everything else as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope your summer is going great, and I will see you next time.